Hey lovelies, welcome back to another part of our Handmade Business Series. If you have been here from candles, crunchies, tote bags, trinket trays, and all the cute little handmade side hustles we have already done, you already know this series is turning into a whole cozy girl creative universe. Today's video is honestly one of my favorites because we are making something super practical, aesthetic, and high demand handmade makeup pouches. And trust me, whether you are a beginner or sewing girly with experience, this one can become such a solid business product. So stay with me till the end because I'll also sharing pricing, business strategies, selling tips and some game-changing mistakes to avoid. If you're new here, hi, I am Bella and we are building a whole female-focused handmade business community together. So make sure you subscribe and join the fam. We have already created so many beautiful products from scratch, and every week we are leveling up our handmade business journey. So, today, makeup pouches. Let's get into the essentials first. For this project, you'll need a good quality fabric cotton, canvas, denim, or waterproof lining. Interfacing to add structure. A pretty zipper. I love gold zippers for aesthetic vibes. Matching thread, scissor, or a cutter, sewing machine, lace, labels, charm pullers, and cute add ons are totally optional. Nothing fancy, literally beginner friendly, but still looks premium when finished. And if you are enjoying this series, comment and tell me which product you want me to cover next. Now, before we jump into the sewing part, a huge thank you to design.com for sponsoring today's video and literally making branding the easiest thing ever. If you're planning to sell makeup pouches or any handmade product, branding is not optional. Trust me, your logo, label, thank you card, packaging design, all these tiny touch points will trust and make your brand look premium. And design.com is honestly a lifesaver because you get hundreds of logo styles instantly. You can generate entire brand kits in one click, and you don't even need any design skills. I used design.com to create the label I'll attaching to my makeup pouch today, and it looks so professional and cohesive. I'll leave the link in the description. Check it out and start your branding journey. Okay, let's start making our makeup pouch. Let's cut two main pieces and two lining pieces. You can do 9 to 6 inches for a small pouch or 11 into 9 inches for a medium everyday makeup pouch. Interfacing goes behind the main fabric for the luxury filling. Iron it on lightly. This step makes the pouch look store-bought instead of floppy. Place your zipper face down on the main fabric. Sandwich it with lining. Sew it slowly. If you're a beginner, go slow. Sewing zipper is easier than it looks. Repeat the process for the other side. Now your pouch is starting to look real. Separate the lining and main fabric and sew around, leaving a small gap in the lining. If this looks easy so far, hit the like button so YouTube shows this video to more small creators. This part is so satisfying. Once everything is turned out and you stitch the lining gap, your makeup pouch is ready. Don't forget to add a cute embroidered label or fabric tag you designed from design.com. This is what makes your product feel premium. Now let's talk business, because I know you are here to build something meaningful, not just sew cute things. Makeup pouches have one of the highest search volumes online. People need them for travel, daily use, gifting, bridal bundles, organizing, and makeup kits. That's why they sell constantly all year around. Your cost per pouch is around $5 to $6 depending on fabric. Selling price can be $20 to $25 depending on design. And that's solid 60 to 70% profit margins. You can also create niche collections. Aesthetic pastel pouches, premium quilted pouches, denim zipper pouches, or personalized name pouches. These go viral easily because people love anything aesthetic plus functional. Okay, search handmade makeup pouch on Amazon. You'll see so many sellers charging $15 to $30 per pouch. If you learn packaging and brand aesthetics, you can target this audience. On Etsy, bridesmaid pouches are trending right now. Personalized items do so well here. Instagram is the fastest way to build a local audience. Post reels of sewing process, before and after, restock videos, packaging orders, ASMR sewing, these go viral easily. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to learn more about small businesses. Last but not the least, if you want to scale your brand long term, Shopify is the perfect. Okay, now let's get into the part that honestly make the biggest difference. My pro tips for anyone who actually wants to sell makeup pouches professionally and build a long-term small business, not just a one-time craft project. Always choose structured fabric or add interfacing. It instantly makes your pouch look premium instead of floppy. Take your time with stitching. Clean, straight stitches make your product look professional and high quality. Add a cute fabric label, thank you card, or tag. Branding makes your product look expensive and trustworthy. Offer sets of 2 or 3. Bundles always sell better and increase your profit without extra effort. Record sewing clips, zipper ASMR, packaging shots. Aesthetic content helps these pouches go viral. Handmade deserves fair pricing. Selling a pouch for $14 to $20 is normal. Respect your work and price confidently. These tips may look small, but they are honestly what separates successful handmade sellers from people who give up early. Apply them consistently, and you'll see your product quality, your branding, and your sales level up so fast. And that's it for today's class, girls. I hope this video gave you clarity, motivation, and a whole new handmade product ideas you can start today. Remember, you don't need a big budget. You just need consistency, creativity, and the confidence to believe your small business deserves success. If you loved today's video, make sure to like the video, comment which product you want next, subscribe to join our Handmade Girl Gang, and follow me on Instagram for daily business jams. I'll see you in the next part. Until then, keep creating, keep dreaming, and keep building your beautiful little empire. Bye!